What's up, YouTube? It's Chilla Manila. It is day 30 on the Road to Code and 100 Days of Code challenge. So today, well, first of all, it marks being a month into the challenge, which I'm definitely hype about and grateful for. The new year just started, but I'm already a month in. I wish I was a year in. A month in into learning how to code. And today, what the read-through was about switches and functions, which are both key components to JavaScript code itself. Now, this is what I'm just reading off of my blog, which I want to memorize. The syntaxes for both is the goal for today. And, well, switch is basically a replacement for if statements, and it just looks a lot more readable and just cleaner. So the syntax for that is actually really simple. It's switch, parentheses, x, parentheses, and then curly bracket with case, and then whatever the case is, and then break, and then default. And you can just keep repeating case depending on how many cases you have, and you can group it or have them all separately in different loops depending on where you break it. Like if you want the first three things to be in the first group, you could put a break at the end of those three, or just put a break in each one. It's definitely a lot simpler, a lot cleaner compared to using else if, else if. So it looks a lot better, that's for sure. That's pretty simple. And then the default is for the undefined, which is always at the bottom. And yeah, that was just pretty simple to read. To memorize. It's just switch, case, break, default. And that's pretty much it. And as far as the function is involved, it's a very important role in JavaScript. It's considered to be the main building blocks of the program. And the syntax for creating a function is easy as well. It's just function, and then function followed by the name of the function, and then parentheses, and inside those parentheses would be the parameters, and then the curly brackets, and then the body of the function. And that is pretty much the syntax for that. Those are the syntax for both. I could go into the importance of functions as well. Let's see here. In the parameters, let's go to that because that's what I need to go into more details about. Oh, actually in the wrong section here. Parameters. We can pass arbitrary data to functions using parameters, also called function arguments. And okay, two parameters from in text. Okay, so they're pretty much like labels, a label name in the functions, essentially. Pretty much like conditions as well, except for it's not a condition, it's a label. So it's a lot simpler. And that's pretty much today's update on the Road to Code 100 Days of Code challenge. Again, follow my blog at chillamanila.com, Twitter at chillamanila, and catch me on Yan at chillamanila as well.
Chillamanila!